Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to the English Dictionary. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
And today we're going to be doing a part 2 of the video we posted earlier.
So today's video is about subject, verb, and object. Last time we only did a subject and a verb. And now this is a continuation of the subject, the verb, and the object. I hope you enjoy the video. Meanwhile, let's give you 10 seconds to what?
To
Subscribe to our channel. Thank you. So let's move on. We want to put in a subject. First, before we move on to subject and object, subject, verb, and object, I want us to do subject, subject, and verb.
Subject, subject, and verb.
Yes. For example, me.
Myself.
No. Plus dog. Plus walk. Okay. How do you say that?
An, gi, guok, wa, walk.
Woto. Yes. An, gi, guok, wa, woto. So we are using gi. Gi is now used to combine me and dog. Wa, woto. So instead of just saying woto, now we are saying wa, woto.
Wa, woto.
So an, gi, guok, wa, woto. So me and sister are running. What did you say?
An, gi,
Nyaminwa.
nyaminwa, wa,
Ringo.
ringo, yes.
Yes. An, gi, nyaminwa, wa, ringo. So that you've combined me and sister are running.
Okay.
So let's talk about an example of to go. Let's say Mary and Joseph are playing. So what did you say?
Mary gi Joseph. What to go?
No. You see, you only say wa if it involves you, but it doesn't involve you. So you just say to go. Mary gi Joseph to go. Okay. Now let's say Somo, you and your brother are reading. What did you say?
An gi
Owadwa.
owadwa wasomo.
Wasomo, yes. An gi owadwa wasomo. So in that case, it's you and your brother. Gi becomes and. Anytime you have to use and, it is called gi. So let's move on to subject, verb, object. Atieno is walking to the market.
Atieno owuotho e choro. Chiro.
Atieno wuotho. Atieno is the subject. Wuotho is walking, and chiro is the market. So we can look for something to combine them. Okay? But between Atieno and wuotho, we don't need to combine. We can just say Atieno wuotho.
Atieno wuotho.
But now we want to say to the market, then we can now say ka odhi e chiro.
Atieno wuotho ka odhi e chiro.
He is washing his dog.
En oluoko guok.
Yes. Oluoko guok. Guoge. Now because it is his dog, you say guoge.
Guoge.
If he is washing a dog, then you say oluoko guok.
Oluoko guok.
But he is washing his own dog, so his own dog becomes guoge. Okay? The cow is sleeping in the pen.
Dhiang onindo e
Cool.
kul.
Dhiang nindo e kul.
Dhiang nindo e kul.
So the cow is sleeping in the cow pen. Dhiang nindo e kul.
Dhiang nindo ekul.
The bicycle is green.
Baiskeli,
Ndega.
ndiga, and
Green.
green.
Majan.
Majan.
Ndiga and Majan.
Ndiga and majan.
So and Majan is green. Okay.
Is green.
Mother is cooking a meal.
Mama tedo chakula. Chiemo.
Mama tedo chiemo.
Mama tedo.
So that is mother is cooking a meal. Father is reading a newspaper.
Baba read. Read.
Baba
reading a newspaper. Book is kitabu, right? So reading.
Let's say
Orido.
Somo. Baba somo. Baba somo.
Kitabu. Gazette.
Baba somo gazette. So that means father is what? Reading newspaper. The boy is cutting a tree.
Woi cutting, chopping. Woi tree. Woi chopping.
Yeah. So the thing is, you have to know all your verbs because the verbs are the ones that will give you the idea of what do I really have to say.
Yeah.
So cutting is ngado.
Ngado.
Yeah. So now continue.
Woi ngado.
Tree. What does tree become?
Tree. Ndiga.
Ndiga we just talked about is nini.
No, that was Chiro.
We just talked about Ndiga right now here.
What?
The bicycle is green.
Oh, Ndiga's bicycle. For Majan is green.
Tree. Woi ngado. Woi ngado yen.
Yen.
Woi ngado yen.
Woi ngado yen.
The girl is cutting grass.
The girl is cutting grass. Nyako. No, not chuado.
Same.
We just said it. Nyako chop. The grass. I forgot it all. Ngado.
Grass.
Majan.
Majan is green. Nyako ngado loom.
Nyako ngado loom.
So the girl is cutting the grass. Nyako ngado loom. That girl is cutting grass. That girl is cutting grass. So that becomes
N or cut. N ngado loom.
Nyako must be in the sentence.
Nyako N ngado loom.
Nyako cha. That girl. Nyako cha. Ngado loom. Now when you say nyako cha, you might not know her name. That's why you're saying nyako cha, that girl. Okay? But if you know the name, you will just say Atieno ngado loom. And let's say Atieno is cutting grass over there.
Atieno ngado loom kacha.
So the cha has now moved to the end, but now we are saying kacha. There, kacha. Atieno ngado loom kacha.
Atieno ngado loom kacha.
That's it. Atieno ngado loom kacha. Okay? Good. Can you think of some three of them, and then you just combine the three of them together?
I Will.
No.
I.
Yeah, it has to be ndiko, somo, tugo, chieo, nindo, things like that. The verbs.
I am cooking chapati.
So say it in Luo.
Atedo chapati.
Atedo
Chapati.
chapati. Yes, I am cooking chapati. The boy is picking a book.
Woi.
Picking.
Picking.
Picking. The boy is picking a book. Woi.
Woi.
So picking becomes what?
Picking. Boy something kitabu.
No, there's no something. Woi kwanyo.
Kwanyo.
Woi kwanyo book.
Woi kwanyo book.
Now, the boy is picking a book here.
Woi kwanyo book. Ka.
You sure?
Yes.
Yes, correct. Woi kwanyo book. Ka.
Woi kwanyo book. Ka.
But now he's picking a book there.
Woi kwanyo book. Kacha.
Yes. Now, no. Children picking. Those children are picking a book.
Nyithindo.
Remember when it was the girl, we said nyati, nyako, cha. Now, those children are picking a book.
Nyithindo cha.
Kwanyo
vitabu.
Kwanyo book. Now you don't say nyithindo cha. Now you say nyithindo ka.
Nyithindo ka.
Yes, kwanyo book.
Kwanyo book.
Or kwanyo buge, because now the books would be many. Yes. So nyithindo ka.
Nyithindo ka.
Kwanyo book.
Kwanyo book.
Okay?
Yes.
So when there are many people and you're pointing and they're beyond where you are, then you say ka.
Ka.
But if they are just a single person, you say cha.
Cha.
If it's even if it's an animal, you just say cha.
Cha.
Guog cha.
Guog cha.
Guog cha kwalo ringo. What does that mean?
That dog is stealing fish.
Is stealing beef. Is stealing from the cooking pot. Huh? That dog is stealing from the cooking pot. He's stealing a beef. Guog cha.
Guog cha.
Kwalo ringo.
Kwalo ringo.
Okay. Now, give another example of tedo.
Tedo.
Let's use tedo. Put a subject. Tedo is a verb and an object.
Okay. Mama tedo michele.
Mama tedo michele.
Mama tedo michele.
So what does that mean?
My mother is cooking rice.
Yes, my mother is cooking rice. Mama tedo michele kacha.
Mama tedo michele kacha.
What does that mean?
My mother is cooking rice over there.
Over there, yes. So I hope this makes sense, and start practicing with such sentences, because it is a simple sentences that will entirely jump into complex sentences. So go watch the video on simple sentences and then come back watch this video and then keep shifting between the two. We are trying to make some more videos on compound sentences, and then we shall complicate the sentence as we move.
Yes.
I hope you enjoyed this video and watch it.
So make sure you comment down below some simple sentences that you can pair up. And make sure you subscribe, turn that notification bell on, and
never miss a video. Now, the thing is, we don't want to teach you like class. We want to teach you something that you can practice. So that's why we are actually taking this direction of using things that happen every day. So if you have a question and comment, please put it in the comment section. Otherwise, we shall put videos here that YouTube thinks you should watch.
yes.
For now,
Goodbye.